No, no, don't. Get your hands out of there. Get your hands out of there. Mmm. Good. Umar?
नहीं मैं अभी ना वीडियो बना रही हूँ उमर की वैसे ही डक खाते हुए अच्छा मेरी आवाज़ आएगी भी तो बोलूँगी
Come on. Ah. 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 You ready for the plane? Open? Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Come on. Shh. Ah, Umar. Hey. No. Okay, no playing. Focus on eating. Let's go. Come on. Oh. Eat, swallow it. Good boy. Ready? Look at mommy. Umar. You see what he does? Every time I say his name, he starts smiling, and then it all goes
Why
down
is
the
his
front.
face all covered up?
What do you mean all covered up? With cereal? Because he keeps spitting it out. Umar?
Gee, I wonder why that is.
Why do you think that is, genius? Why don't you educate me, since you've had so many children before? He needs to learn to lean into open his mouth and lean toward the spoon. You can't just pour it in his mouth. Mmm. Mmm. After the cereal, you're going to have some bananas. Come here. Mmm. Ah. 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 See what he did? You blew bubbles. And then the cereal. Look at the cereal. It's up all your nose. It's up on your nose. Umar. Here. Ah. Come on, honey. Eat it. Good boy. Ready? Ah. Ah. Swallow. Good boy. Ready? Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Umar? Umar? Ah. Ah. No. Ah. Sucking off the spoon works too. Come on. Got it everywhere. Everywhere. Look at this. Everywhere. There. Come on. Come on. Ah. Open your mouth. Ah. Umar. My goodness. Little boy. Come on. Ah. Ready? Ready? No. Not when you're eating. Good boy. Ready? Ah. Ah. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Good job. No. Come on. You're doing so good. Bananas are next. You love bananas, huh? Umar? Good. Mommy's making a mess. And so are you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Open. Stop doing that. You're not going to eat any of it. It's going to go everywhere. Come here. I got to get it in your mouth before you start doing the thing. No. Come on, ready? Good job. Much better. Come on. Look how excited you are about eating. You're definitely my son. Ooh. Mm-hmm. It's good, isn't it? I think this is this our third time in the high chair? Yeah, it is, isn't it?